Alright, before going any further, man, for like, comment, share, subscribe. I can put some volume on this. Yo, I gotta set up my PC, alright? I gotta set up my PC with the soundboard, everything. But right now, we just keep it simple. You see me? Like, bro, like, I'm tired. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Skilly Bang, Vybz Kartel, New Gears remix. I can jump in it right now.
Cha-cha. Got red boom. Ready. World boss, leave a prison could stop me. Me get 35 and me give them back that quick. Them have to wonder if I hope ya me practice. God me say yo watch you of ya me practice.
Pull up. Pull up.
Cha-cha.
Pull up.
Got red boom. Ready. World boss, leave a prison could stop me. Me get 35 and me give them back that quick. Them have to wonder if I hope ya me practice. God me say yo watch you of ya me practice.
Say it again. Vybz Kartel is probably the best lyricist of this dancehall entity. Me say it. Vybz Kartel is the best lyricist. I feel like I don't know Cartel is the best. See me? But me just feel like Cartel is more precise. You see me? That's.
Remember say I don't know how to stop rich. Car me no stop switch, gal me no stop trick. But the house yeah me full of key like locksmith. But a gal yeah me get my.
And Cartel non-cap when him say that. Full of house like locksmith. Full of cars. The man really have a whole heap of cars and a whole heap of houses. Alright, man have a whole heap of houses.
Girls Vicky them, Chrissy them, pretty them, titty get icky them, me dicky them. Give her dividend, fishy spend pretty fendi. The makeup a fenty, she said for the trend. Big up Skillibeng, real you no pretend. Theme style so different, each rhyme sufficient. You said, I'm great, alright, me said, so what? Okay, you're deaf, no is. Hey, weeding on my brain, weeding on my.
Vybz Kartel just show you say, this is why I'm the king of dancehall. A flow simple, because we know that it's not even 2% of Vybz Kartel talent out of 100. And just hero immaculate that song.
We are on the place, Cartel, Skilly Bang, Gaza train, Eastside train. And we flow original, we call it Big Bang. Big Bang, Big Bang. We flow original, we call it Big Bang. Big Bang, Big Bang. Yo, world boss, which pussy no one see you know you mean crown. Them no plane and a fly up, them get shoot down. In a me boot weigh 1,000 and few pounds. Stepping on your face, Skilly call that a new road. You don't get carried away like cruise down. Get yourself added panelist and a food store, new clothes, funeral you get. Cause you're too bold, you chose the destiny. Cause you not child, you grown. World boss, I miss a universe like the blue globe and the galaxy. Them on the globe.
Is that like a vibes in the back? Alright. Cool.
I move round, slap a face, head evaporate when my shoot gun. Operate, collect a college when my tune done. Jaram for the badness, calish, palace, massive damage, gadget, Pablo, one of the baddest man for walk the planet actually. Musically, physically, them carambin man thing. Ready for knock the Glock, ready for action like it's a flip. Them a walkie talkie, pass it, 40 fast and blasty. Ready for war, khaki cartridge like a rat, it's half drink. Teacher pull up in at the Rari with a bag of Barbie. With the crown, I make some boy, I do a.
Teacher pull up in the Rari with a bag of Barbie. Don't get me wrong, you know. When you see me not pause it, Skillibeng bad in a dog. Him bad, but him need a little bit more years in the fraternity for we say yo, Skillibeng is one of dancehall. Well, he is one of dancehall best right now. No fucking going around that. Excuse my French. But we need a couple more years for we say yo, Skilly you're the prince, you're the next upcoming king. You see me? My personal opinion.
Full of jam chapalin. Entourage with dogs that pull up like altar calling. We are the original, them aftermarket. That's why we are in regardless. Hey, weeding on my brain, weeding on my vein. We are on the place, Cartel, Skilly Bang, Gaza train, Eastside train. And we flow original, we call it Big Bang, Big Bang, Big Bang. We flow original, we call it Big Bang, Big Bang, Big Bang. Hey, yo.
Alright, I feel like dancehall they need that. You see me? And my personal opinion is 10 out of 10. Flow from both artists, immaculate. Style, immaculate. Metaphor. That. Would you say it was like a 2-syllable rhyme when it comes to Cartel and his verse? I don't know. But comment on that comment, I don't know. You see me? But I feel like Cartel just come out with something different. You see me? Like, it sound like one of them old time dancehall that we need in the business right now. And I feel like Skilly Bang just match that vibe and just come and start spit to. You see me? And that's what we need in a dancehall. You see me? But comment down below, let me know what you think, you know. You see me? No. Is that I have a personal opinion that Cartel and Idonia is probably the two baddest lyricists in a dancehall. I could be wrong, but that is my opinion. So I don't think no, rephrase that statement there. I feel like Vybz Kartel and Idonia is the two baddest lyricists in a dancehall. You see me? But that's my personal opinion. You see me? I don't think my personal opinion that means I'm wrong. I think my personal opinion, that is my personal opinion, I should say. So me don't like for no. I don't want to be no bias. I don't want no alkaline fan, no masicka fan, no governor, no Skillibeng, no. You see me? No Bunty, no Beanie fan come and say, yo, want to know, we are talking about the actual fact, the work we put in, so we can say yes, them money are the two baddest. You see me? Now I feel like it's Cartel Idonia. I don't know me artist. I feel like a Cartel Idonia, Massy Skilly. That's how I feel. Masicka and Skilly. You see me? Cartel first, Donia second, Masicka third, Skillibeng fourth, Alkaline fifth. We could flip flop between Alkaline and Skilly still. Put Skilly at fifth, Alka at fourth. I don't know. Comment down let me know. See me? But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm soon the next one. I'm not long chatting. I have video come for review. 10 out of 10. Video 10 out of 10.